Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're doing something fun and exciting, a fast talk. I'll be throwing out a bunch of quick questions and you've got to answer as fast as you can. I'm Christine Lucille Esquintela and this is
Alexa Villarreal.
Happiness or Chocolate?
Happy.
Arts or Sports?
Arts.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Morning person or night owl?
Night person.
Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Beach or mountains?
Mountain.
Sweet or savory?
Savory.
Books or movies?
Movies.
City life or countryside?
City.
Hot or cold weather?
Cold weather.
Work hard or play hard?
Very hot.
Dream job?
Architect.
Study first or relax first?
Study first.
Group work or solo project?
Solo project.
Stay in or hang out?
Stay
Social media app you can't live without?